In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place your first order on 1688 Shopping App 2025. Start by going to 1688.com in your browser, or open the 1688 app. In the search bar, use Chinese keywords for the most accurate results. If you don't know the term in Chinese, use a translator to convert your product name. You can also tap the camera icon to run an image search. Upload a clear photo or screenshot of the item you want and let the app find similar listings. From the results, open a product listing. Before you fall in love with the pictures, check the essentials: the minimum order quantity, the price tiers by quantity, the supplier's rating, and reviews, especially reviews with photos, so you can see real buyer feedback. This helps you spot quality differences and understand how pricing changes as you order more units. Next, select your product details. Choose the color, the size, and the style you need. Enter your quantity and watch the total price update to reflect your selections and the tier you qualify for. If something looks off, adjust the quantity or variation until it matches what you plan to buy. When everything looks right, place the order. Tap Li Ji Xia Dan, which means order now, or choose Jia Rujin Huo Dan, add to cart, if you're still comparing items and want to pay together later. Now choose the shipping address. 1688 ships domestically within China only, so select your China warehouse or buying agent's address. Double check the province, city, and phone number, and set this address as the default if you'll use it again. Time to pick a payment method. Option 1 is Alipay, which is China-based. This requires a verified Alipay account and a Chinese bank card. If you don't have that, option 2 is to use a buying agent, which is recommended for beginners. Copy the product link, send it to your agent, and they will place the order, pay the supplier, ship to the warehouse, and then forward the items internationally to you. Before you commit, confirm and pay. Review the order summary, confirm the price and address, tap Tijiao Dingdan, submit order, and complete the payment. That's it. Your order is placed. To track your order, go to Wode Dingdan, My Orders. Open the order to view the shipping status, the tracking number, and any seller messages. Keep an eye on updates so you're ready when the package reaches your warehouse or when your agent arranges international delivery.